Hi team, this is Emmanuel Sarris, World Ventures Director, and today we're going to be learning how to book a multi-city ticket with rovia.com. So all you need to do is have a username and password, and everyone's got a unique username and password. Just type it in there, press load, sign in, and that should take you into the booking engine of rovia.com. So all you have to do now is pick multi-city and select the city of departure. So do you see how it says all airports there? I never pick all airports. I always pick the specific airport if I know it. And there it's Sydney, Kingsford, Smith. And with New York, I want to land in JFK. So I never pick all airports. I pick the departure date. It's as simple as that. And with multi-city, all you have to do is add flight. Now you can see there it says New York JFK. All I'm doing is just changing the departure city. So I don't need to go to and from the same city. And there you go. Just select the date that you want to come back. Pick how many adults you want. And then press search. You can also pick how many stops you want, how many airlines and what cabin class you want to travel in. However, I allow the system to search full capabilities, so that way I can narrow down the search at a later time. Give it some time, as it is a very large booking engine, and now it's going to be searching for all the available flights, cabin classes, and airports. Okay, so as you can see here, all the searches have come up, and because I'm a bit particular, I pick Qantas, and I'm looking for a specific flight. I'm looking for QF flight 11. On the way back, I'm looking for QF flight 8, and you can see there's an economy S. Now, if you're looking for a particular class code, that's where you have to look. If you're okay with that class code, all you have to do is press add to cart, either continue or check out and pay for your flight. So that's already added to your cart. So the next part is multi-city within America or wherever you're going, whether it's America, Europe. So all I'm doing now is I'm picking New York to Orlando, and I'm doing a massive multi-city. I think you can do about 5 or 6 cities. If there's any more cities that you have to do, then you can call concierge on 1-800-928-181. So as you can see here on the screen, I've picked the departure date, I've picked the cities, and I've never chosen all airports. I've picked the actual city. Then you just add flight. You can change the leaving from and going to part at any point in time. Select the dates and just check here at the bottom. You've always got to press add flight, which is just below the departure date. Okay, add flight. Now we're going from Las Vegas to Dallas, and because we've already got Dallas to Sydney in our previous example, we don't need to do that. So this is the end of the multi-city trip. Pick how many adults and how many children are coming. If the child's over a certain age, there's no point in putting children. Just pick them as adults. They're all going to come up as the same price. So as you can see here, I didn't pick any particular class. Economy just comes up as per normal. So it's $504.40 US to go to all those cities. Now, what I want to do is, because I'm a bit particular, I'm going to pick first class with non-stop flights or without non-stop flights. Pick the search button. Now this is going to come up with all my first class flights. The reason why I'm picking first class is not because I'm snobby, because I know that I'm going to pay for baggage, and because I'm going with 2 bags, they're going to charge me over $25 US per bag, depending on how many kilos, and considering if you're a bit of a shopper, it's best that you probably buy the first class because you get 2 50-pound bags and 2 carry-ons. So in this case, You don't have to worry about purchasing extra baggage, which is a bit of a hassle because you have to go onto their website, pay for the extra baggage on a separate credit card bill, and it just becomes all a bit of a hassle. So this way, you're still getting your airport lounge access, you're still getting your baggage, and you're actually earning much more status credit points and many more frequent flyer points by traveling first class in America. So as you can see here, it's only double the price, and considering there's 5 legs, at $100 a pop for the bags, 5 flights, there's $500 already, so it pays to travel first class within America. So this is for 3 people, so don't freak out. It's 3466 for 3 adults. All you have to do is now press continue, and you'll see that in your cart up at the top. So now, after booking your flights, you can just go modify search, press hotels, and as you can see here, the first flight out that you had was New York, and it doesn't change anything. All you have to do is change the dates, and then I'm looking for all the hotels that have, that can equip 3 adults here. Here's the search. However, if you've got a specific hotel and you don't want to go through all these searches, all you have to do is put the name of the hotel in the search bar, and that way it will filter through all the hotels. However, I always pick all the hotels because I want to know what is available. So out of all these hotels, all you have to do, if you want to go further into the search, then pick the specific name of the hotel. Then, for another city, just all you have to do is, pick the city, obviously. Now, in America, there's many Orlandos in different cities, so all you have to do is pick the actual correct city. Like there it says Florida. Pick the dates, and I think those dates are wrong, so if they do come wrong, all you have to do is press modify search again and pick different dates. After you've done that, all you have to do now is select the particular hotel, and that's the particular hotel we're looking for at 10100 International Drive, Orlando. So all you have to do now is select the room type. So if you want standard with 2 beds or 2 double beds, it's the same as any other booking engine. The only difference is you're getting it way cheaper here. Select the rooms, press continue. That goes into your cart. As you can see up there, there's now 4 items in your cart. Just like any other booking engine, they always have a cart at the end. Then you can proceed and pay for the entire trip. Here again, all we have to doing is modifying search, picking a different city, and here we're picking Miami Beach on the 23rd to the 25th. 3 adults. Press the search bar and let all the hotels come up. As you can see at the top also, there's flights, hotels, car hire, activities and cruises. Everything to do with travel is right there for you at your fingertips. So give it some time, let it search, and the new city should come up for those dates between the 23rd to the 25th. So now all you have to do after it's searched where it is in Miami, you can pick a particular hotel, which we put in Hilton there as a name. Now there's so many Hiltons, so I'm looking for one on Ocean Drive. This one here is the most expensive. If you check up on Hilton.com, you'll find this particular hotel starts from anywhere from a minimum of $700 a night, and as you can see there, it was $448. There are others on Ocean Drive, but this is the one that's right smack bang in the middle. So yeah, pretty happy about our purchase here. The Hilton Bentley Beach Hotel is one of the most famous and most renowned hotels in Miami South Beach. As you can see there, you can see all the different addresses, so make sure that every time you book that you've checked that out on the maps, or that you know what you're doing and who you're booking with, because Hilton's a very big brand. They've got over 6,000 different affiliates as well. That's the Hilton Garden Inn, Miami South Beach. That's about 2 kilometers away from the Bentley, but it's still on the actual beach, just further down. You can see there, you show all rooms, and you know there's rooms there with 2 double beds from $187 a night. Now for the next location, all you have to do again is press modify search and repeat the process by putting in the dates, then pressing the search capabilities, pick how many adults, so now we've changed it to Las Vegas, picking different dates, picking how many adults are going to be in the room, pressing the search hotel functionality, and don't forget at all times your purchases are up at the top where it shows the car, and at the moment we've got 5 purchases. Let it do its search, and there's all your hotels. And again, if you don't want to go through all of them, all you have to do is pick the actual particular hotel name. Once you've picked it, obviously so many of them are going to come up. If you want a particular hotel, then all you have to do is select the actual name of the hotel. So Hilton Grand Vacation Suites on the Vegas Strip is actually on the Strip. It's at the end of the Strip, opposite SLS Hotel. With this particular hotel, trust me, there's nothing under $150 if you go onto normal websites, even if you get a deal. As you can see here are all the room types. Select one of them. We picked a 3-bedroom penthouse for our stay, but because this is for somebody else, there's less people in this one, so $127 a night is pretty cheap in America to stay in Vegas. Obviously you can pick deals with, you know, sofa beds and breakfast and all that kind of stuff, but because you're in Vegas, you're probably not going to wake up in time for breakfast, so there's no point in buying a package with breakfast. Also on the system you can buy your monorail tickets, you can buy return airport transfers if the package doesn't include it, so check out for that stuff too. Our next destination, as you can see here, is just by pressing modify search again, picking Dallas, Texas, United States, between those dates 29th of January to the 1st of February, and these are all the hotels that come up. All you have to do, if you're looking for a particular hotel, name the hotel in the search bar, they all come up, select from the hotel, and you're done. When you pick the particular room type, it all goes up into your cart. Okay, so the last thing you have to do is, Obviously, because it's in US dollars, it's just converted, so I just go to Google, but obviously every credit card has its own credit card conversion. So that's pretty much it. This is Emmanuel Sarris again, director with World Ventures. Thanks for watching this quick YouTube video on how to book your flights on rovio.com. Anything you guys need, just drop us an email or contact us via Facebook. Thanks for watching.